Hi guys, I'm doing a video today about how you can make money online using social media, and anyone can do it. You can be a mom at home with your kids and you can represent a brand. It doesn't matter how big or how small you are, they want to work with you. So I'm going to go over a few points. I have my notes here to make sure I hit everything. Influencer marketing combines brands with social media users in their niche. If you're a fan of a product, there are brands who want to work with you. And you don't have to be a super social media expert. You just need to be able to provide value and give answers to people, what they're looking for. So here are some of the steps. Number one, choose your niche, which means to get noticed, you want to get smaller. You're competing against a lot of big brands. And so if you niche down and make it smaller, it makes you more easily brought up on SEO, on search engines. So let's say you're just doing a video just generally about healthy cooking. You're competing against so many people, versus if you niche down and do maybe healthy green smoothies, then it brings it to a smaller niche, which brings, believe it or not, brings you up more in the rankings. So think about what you really want to do and try to niche down. The next thing would be choose top social channels. Now, you can't do them all. I would pick two that you are good at, or even one. Like some people really like to use Twitter, or someone else might use Instagram. I'm a Facebook person. I also like LinkedIn for me, but choose two maximum right now and spread your information, your channel, your YouTube on those channels. Post regularly. Now, something I think that a lot of people make the mistake of is if they don't see a lot of response, they give up. It takes time. Keep doing it and post every day. And I'm trying to get better at this too, because I'm working on it as well. I'm going to try to make sure I post a video every single day for the next month. Another thing is comment on other people's videos or other people's social media. It's really important to start engaging with an audience, whether you're commenting on theirs or responding to comments in yours. Some influencers spend an hour or two every day just responding to people's comments, and it'll help pay off. Another one would be form partnerships with other social users. So in the wedding industry, there's a company called Knot, and they will share another user's, say, YouTube video. Say I did a video about, I don't know, wedding flowers, and they shared my video, then it brings a lot of people to my site, because Knot is a trusted wedding vendor. So if they share my video, it brings trust, and then their followers are going to follow me. So that's a really big thing. If you can start to form some partnerships, even with just other small social people like yourself. Like, we're small, so if someone wants to be friends with me, reach out to me and let's just start collaborating together. Another example of this, and I tried this, by the way, you guys, today, Etsy on Instagram. If you go follow Etsy, you'll automatically get followers back, because people are trying to collaborate with other artistic people. So I was like, what? And I followed them and I started getting followers. So try that one out. And the last one is let companies find you. So if you are newer and you're looking for ways to connect with brands and having a hard time reaching out and finding companies, which I think everybody does when they're new. It's like, how do you connect? We don't necessarily know how to do that. For me, one of the places that I went to is called Intellifluence, and I will put the link below. What they do is they bring up companies and brands that you can collaborate with, and you choose. You just send an email in, and then you get a pitch back and you can accept it or not, and then you get paid to write a blog post or do a video, whatever you're kind of interested in doing. So there's a few of those out there, and yeah, I'd be happy to help. If you want any more information, shoot me an email, and please subscribe to the button below. Hope you guys have a great day.